We're going to look at these 1 through 7 together. Number 1 says, place the letter of each value in its location in the real number system below. We have irrational, natural, whole, and integers rational. And these are both considered to be real numbers. Alright, for ease, I'm just going to put the letters, start from A, go to K. So A is 2.125. The best classification would be rational. So why is it going to be rational? It's going to be rational because it's a terminating decimal. That's the best classification. B, based off this chart that we're given, B, the best classification would be whole. The only difference between a whole number and a natural number is a whole number has 0. So we can make that a B since that's what we did there. Here C is pi. Pi is represented by pi is irrational because it can't be represented as a fraction. It's a ratio between circumference and diameter, but it cannot be represented as a fraction. D, negative 15 divided by 5, that's simplified, would be negative 3. So the best classification of D would be an integer. Then we have 3 and 1/4. That's about 3.25. So the best classification would be rational. It's a terminating decimal. 0.4 repeating. That's repeating, but it's the same number repeating, so that's going to be rational. G, 23. That's a counting number, so the best classification would be natural. G. Negative 1. That would be an integer. 16, the square root of 16 over 25. Well, 16 square root would be 4. And 25 square root would be 5. So 4/5. 4/5 simplified, best one would be I. It would be under rational. J, negative 49. Square rooted would be negative 7. So the best classification of that would be an integer. Last but not least, negative square root 35. This cannot be simplified. It's primodal. Biprimodal, so it's only 7 and 5, can't simplify those. So this one is going to be irrational. Alright, and that's for number 1.